Here's how to clear cache on YouTube on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can clear cache on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's pretty easy and simple. What you have to do is just go to your settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down a bit until you see general. Press on general. Once you press on general, scroll down until you see iPhone storage. Just press on iPhone storage. And here it will show you all the apps. Just scroll down until you find YouTube. Here, as you can see, just click on YouTube or just press it. Once you press it, you'll see two options. First one called offload app, and then we got delete app. Press on offload app. Just press again to confirm your offload. This basically means to clear your cache. Just press on it. So it's clearing all the cache, and as you can see, it's telling me to reinstall. Once I press reinstall, it's gonna take a while to reinstall depending on your cache memory. So let's say if you got like over a gigabyte, it might take some time. But here, as you can see, my documents and data tells me that I have exactly 446 megabytes. So it's gonna take some time to clear my cache. But yeah, once it clears my cache, I just need to go to YouTube, and here, as you can see, it's clearing all the cache. So you just need to wait until the loadings is finished, and then you'll be good to go. So we'll see after all. So here, as you can see, it's almost done, and it's telling me it's installing again. So we just need to wait for a few seconds for it to complete. So yeah, just gotta wait a few more bit until it's completed. Let's check back in our settings, and as you can see, it's still loading up. But yeah, you just need to wait a bit more to complete it. Once it's completed, it will be able to, you can just play it. And here, as you can see, my YouTube cache is cleared out, and I can just basically play any videos and run YouTube smoothly. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, comment under this video. Until then, goodbye and peace out.